Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we are going to talk about how to merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF in the Wixel editor. Let's learn how. Go to Wixel.com and make sure that you're logged in. You can log in using your existing Wix account or you can always sign up. Go to My Projects and here click on Create. Select Upload and select the PDF that you want to work on. Make sure that you select the one that you'd like to appear first. Then click on Open. Your file will be then opened in the Wixel editor, where you can start working on it. Click on your file and click on PDF Tools. Then select Merge PDF. Click on Add File and select the second PDF file that you wish to merge to the first file. Then click on Open. And once it's uploaded, click on Merge Two Files right here below. And once that's done, your files will then be merged. And once it's done processing, your PDF files will now be merged. So this is the first copy of your PDF. Wixel will then create another copy, but with the merged version. So you can either share this or download this to your PC. Go to Share and Download above. You can share this directly to these available social media platforms, or you can click on Download to download the merged version. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.